Hello everyone, I'm back again with some more science today. So today we're going to learn how to make a lava lamp with simple ingredients from your kitchen. All you really need is a empty pop bottle. Take the label off. You could also use a mason jar or pretty much any clear glass or plastic container you might have. I'm using a old pop bottle. You need some food coloring. Sorry if that's not coming through as well as it might. Vegetable oil, I have canola oil. Whatever oil you normally use will be fine. And a measuring cup is very helpful. And then I have, I'll show you what I bought. I bought the generic version of Alka-Seltzer. There. So this works great. You don't need to buy name brand for this. It's really not important. So I'm just going to start in. So the first thing you're going to do, oh, and water. You need water, but I'm sure everybody has water. If not, you're having a deep problem. Okay, so I'm going to need some water in my cup, so I'm just going to have it ready. But the first thing I'm going to do, let me grab another measuring cup because I have one, is I'm going to measure out 3/4 of a cup of the vegetable oil. So, let's see, just pour that in. And if you're using a bottle, it definitely makes it easier with the measuring cup. And if you have a funnel, that's even better. I don't happen to have one, so I'm using my cup. So I pour that in my bottle. And that's all there is to that. Then I'm going to take my water, and the rest of the container can be water. I've got about a cup in here. So I just pour my water in. And there it is. Now you can already tell that the water and the oil don't mix. So what happens is the water stays at the bottom, and if you've been following along with my science programs, you know why. The water is denser than the oil, so the oil floats on top. So the next thing we're gonna do, move my measuring cups out of the way. You can pick whatever colors you like. You're gonna put 4 or 5 drops of, you can do a mix of colors, you can pick one color. Do the people in the audience have a preference? No? Okay. Then I think I will do red, because I like red. So I'm going to put 5 drops of the red in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can see the drops, which are water-based, have fallen in the middle of the bottle. And if we wait long enough, I think they might even continue to drop, but they're going to stick in the middle for now. Now, the last thing you do, just want to put my cap on that because I'm clumsy. I don't want to tip my oil over. That would be a big mess. Is I'm going to take a piece, I kind of scrunched up my Alka-Seltzer tablet just so it could fit in the bottle. I'm going to take a piece or two of this Alka-Seltzer tablet. I'm going to put it in the bottle. Now, before I do that, if you want to try to make a hypothesis, what do you think will happen when I put this Alka-Seltzer in to my bottle? I'll give you a second to think about that. Something cool. I'll give you a clue. There is going to be a chemical reaction. So I'm going to put it in, and I'm going to wait a second. And can you see there are all sorts of little bubbles happening? Oh, and the bubbles rise up, And what's happening is you get a nice lava lamp effect. The bubbles from the Alka-Seltzer reacts with the water to make carbon dioxide gas. And the CO2 gas is the least dense thing in the bottle, so it flies up to the top. And the bubbles burst open and the gas is released. But they have caught up with the colorful water. And so the colored water, once the bubble bursts, it drops back down and you get a lava lamp. Let me put a few more in so you can see it again. And there we go. And you can keep doing this with your tablets over and over again. Of course, the more you put in, the longer your reaction will take, so you get a little more entertainment. And if you were here, there's a bit of a fizzy sound happening as the bubbles burst. It sounds like a soda pop bottle when you first open it. So there you go, a homemade lava lamp. Now, if you're wondering if this is what's inside of a lava lamp, because I did, it's not exactly the same thing. If you have a real lava lamp at your house, it's actually paraffin wax inside of it, and they use heat to warm up the wax, and they get that effect. It's not exactly the same science happening in a real lava lamp as what's happening in this bottle. But this is a fun little experiment, something fun to do, and you learn a little bit more about chemical reactions and density and buoyancy. So I hope you try it at your house because it's kind of fun. When my daughter turned 12, her whole birthday party had a science theme, and we made these, and they were a big hit. So it's fun to make more than one, do different colors. You can even get into a little bit of an art lesson because you can try mixing the different colors to see what you get. So it can be cross-disciplinary if you want. So enjoy. I hope you had fun. This was a quick one, but a fun one. Bye. Bye.